Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I'd like to explain how to derive or prove the formula for permutations using a specific example. If we are told that we have R boxes where R is an arbitrary number and it doesn't matter what the exact value is, and each of them can hold only one thing. This means that if we have n objects we want to put into all these boxes, the number of ways you can fill in the first box is n. The number of ways you can fill in the second box is n minus 1, as the first box already has something in it. And by the same exact logic, the third box has n minus 2, the fourth box n minus 3, etc. So we conclude that for the rth box, the formula for the number of ways it can be filled is exactly n minus, in parentheses, r minus 1. So the number of ways you fill out the boxes in succession is given by the fundamental counting principle, where you multiply out these individual numbers of ways. However, if you are inclined, you can rewrite the last term as n minus r plus 1, taking out the inner parentheses. This is our formula for the number of permutations, but we are not fully done yet, because when we multiply and divide by n minus r times n minus r minus 1 times n minus r minus 2, etc., then we get n factorial divided by n minus r factorial for the final answer for the total number of permutations, where we remember factorial means the number you are taking the factorial of times one integer below it times one integer below that, etc., until you hit 1. Now that we've explained why the permutation formula works the way it does, we can discuss combinations next, which are more complex, because of the fact that there are many more ways to arrange them than permutations. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.